Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Honorable speakers and delegates, our distinguished guests, our friends at UNESCO, my dear colleagues at ISISCO, ladies and gentlemen, and Taja Hao Wadapangyo Chungwa Pangyo. I am Dr. Sidra Tariq Jamil, and I'm serving as a communications expert with the Center for Civilizational Dialogue at ISISCO. A very good morning, a very warm welcome to all of you. It is an absolute pleasure standing before you today as we inaugurate this momentous event to launch a UNESCO publication which underlines the pivotal role and emphasizes the enduring legacy of the Arabic language in cultural, scientific, and commercial interconnections along the Silk Roads. We are celebrating a significant cultural milestone as there is still much that we can unearth and learn about the nexus between the Silk Road and the Islamic world. Such as undertaking would not have been possible without the close collaborative effort of us at ISISCO, our esteemed co-organizer, UNESCO, and the distinguished Sultan bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud Foundation. I would thus like to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude to all of them for making this event happen today. In fact, we are greatly privileged to have the Foundation's Director General, Dr. Saleh Ibrahim Al Khulaifi, and Deputy Director General of the same foundation, Dr. Abdul Aziz Al Mughaishi, grace us today with their presence. We are also honored to have with us the illustrious Dr. Li Ruhong, who is chairman of Beijing International Peace Cultural Foundation, blessing us today with his presence. Their incredible generosity and unwavering support in a myriad ways are no doubt instrumental in bringing this project cum event into fruition. We also owe a great deal of appreciation to the UNESCO team led by the esteemed Dr. Meherdad Shah Bahang, whose foresight, wisdom, and expertise have been integral to this collaboration bearing fruit. I would like to also thank this opportunity to convey our utmost thanks to the director of ISISCO Center for Civilizational Dialogue, Ambassador Khalid Fatah Rahman, whose thoughtful guidance and support at this critical juncture have ensured the materialization of this vital collaboration. Very importantly, this event not only sheds light on the historical significance of the Arabic language, but also underscores its contemporary relevance and impact on fostering cultural understanding and cooperation across nation states and through people-to-people diplomacy. With its rich heritage and profound influence, the Arabic language has been a key cornerstone of intellectual and commercial interactions throughout the history and a torchbearer for unity in diversity. In fact, its role in disseminating knowledge, bridging cultures, and fostering trade along the Silk Roads is everlasting and a harbinger of peace and harmony and an in this increasingly polarized world. By exploring this legacy in making the Arabic language a centerpiece for cultural transformation along the Silk Road, we seek to inspire the young generations to appreciate and preserve this critical linguistic heritage, while also recognizing the dynamic role it continues to play in this globalized era. At the heart of this initiative is our Center for Civilizational Dialogue, which has always been dedicated to promoting intercultural dialogue and understanding. We are proud to play a modest role in the endeavor. We remain steadfast in our mission to create a more harmonious and peaceful world. As we embark on this long but fascinating journey today, I am filled with optimism, pride, and hope The diverse insights and perspectives chronicled in this remarkable UNESCO publication will certainly contribute to a deeper appreciation of the Arabic language and its monumental contributions to human civilizations along the Silk Road as we continue to surge ahead into an uncertain future. Now, without further ado, I have the distinct pleasure of inviting my illustrious colleague, Dr. Umar Hali, to come up on stage and moderate the first session of this event. Thank you all once again for your presence and support. Let us collectively look forward to the many erudite conversations and compelling discoveries that await us. Before passing on the event proceeding to Dr. Umar Hali, I would like to call on all invited guests and speakers to come up on the stage for a group photograph. Invited guests, please. Thank you once again for your kind attention. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.